Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert BNB to Euro on Binance. All you have to do is go to your Binance app. At the left corner, click Profile. Then select the settings at the right side corner. Under the settings, click Payment Currency. At the search bar, type Euro. Click Euro and back to home page. As you can see here, you will see payment currency in Euro. Now click Change Basis and you will see this. Change Basis. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!